Hello guys, I'm installing this C&H Cooper and Hunter AC unit. It's heating and cooling. I have a ceiling mounted indoor unit, and I connected the copper pipes. So there is one wide pipe and one is narrow pipe. So basically narrow pipes, the coolant goes into the narrow pipes and the coolants come out to the wide pipe. So that's why the compression and decompression happens, and it is for heating and cooling. So right now I'm pumping the lines to see if I have tied these bolts enough so that it is vacuum tight. So I bought this CPS micrometer vacuum gauge. It's almost pumped like 5 minutes, and now it's 630 micron. So I'll pump down to below. So let's see how far it can go down. At least people say it should go below 500 micron. I'm close to 500 micron. And I bought this vacuum connector. So this inside this service line there is a valve. So basically you can open that valve through this extension here. So it looks like, let me see, I have it here. So I am using this pump, and this is kind of a rod which goes here. So this is the rod here. So thing is, this valve has kind of a safety lock here below. You see there underneath. So you cannot close this valve.